Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, this is an overall motivational channel. I talk about the law of attraction, healing from past trauma, self-care, self-love, money-saving tips, couponing, and much more. There are absolutely no limits on my channel. I talk about whatever I want. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please consider subscribing. So in today's video, this is going to be a Walgreens video. So far, this is what I did. I will be going back to do some more deals this week, depending on what else I find. But for right now, I am just going to show you guys what I got today. So this week, Irish Spring and soft soap are on sale for $3.99. There are some coupons that you can print off of irishspring.com and softsoap.com. Unfortunately for me, I printed some of those coupons, I think like a week or so ago, so I couldn't print anymore. But if you do have a Walgreens account, you can clip the there's a $1 off of one Irish Spring digital coupon, and there's also 75 cents off of one soft soap digital coupon. So those are the only two coupons that I used for the soft soap and the Irish Spring. So for the Chic Extreme shaving cream, these are on sale this week for $1.99. Coupons.com does have a coupon for $1 off one. And the limit for that is 2, so you can print that coupon twice. And then also Walgreens, I clipped a $1 off of one digital coupon to my account. And I do have an extra coupon to use on a different account when I go do the soft soap and Irish Spring deal again. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt right here. Let's see if my camera will load. So I purchased a total of 6 Irish Springs and 6 soft soap. I also used a get $12 back when you spend $40. So I used one of those. And as you can see here, here's my Chic coupon. Here's my Irish Spring digital coupon. Here's another Chic coupon, which is probably the one that I printed off of coupons.com. And here's the 75 cent digital coupon right there. And my subtotal came out to be $48.11. I'm not counting the tax. So as I scroll down here, I got back a total of everyday points 510, and I got back a total of 49,000 points. So I spent $48.11 out of pocket, and I got back 49,000 points, which makes this entire transaction free. So 12,000 came from me spending $40 in one transaction. 30,000 came from the Irish Spring and the soft soap, because it's but get 5,000 points when you buy 2. So when you do this deal, purchase in increments of 2. So for every 2 soft soaps, for every 2 soft soaps or Irish Spring and soft soap that you get, you will get 5,000 points back for every 2. And since this is a buy deal, it says buy 2 get 5,000 points. You can purchase however many you want in a single transaction. Just make sure you purchase in increments of 2, and you will most definitely receive your 5,000 points. So I purchased a total of 12. So for every 2, I got back 5,000 points, totaling a total of 30,000 points. So 12,000 points for spending 40, 30,000 points for the soft soap and Irish Spring deal. I also got back 2,000 points for the Chic Extreme when you purchase 2, and I also got back 5,000 points for Hidden Beauty. I think I needed to spend at least like $42 more in order to reach Beauty. So I did already have some cash that I used in for Beauty when I did the previous soft soap deals from last week. So I needed to spend $42 more, which I did, and that gave me 5,000 points. So I spent $48.11 out of pocket, and I got back a total of 49,000 points, which made this entire transaction free. I also got back a get $5 when you spend $20 in a single transaction. So I do plan on using that, because I do plan to go to 2 more Walgreens to do the soft soap deal. So I'm excited about that. I was able to build my points. Guys, this is a really nice deal to do if you are looking to build points. And whether you have coupons for this or not, it's still a great deal to do. And also make sure you are signed up for the beauty because if you are signed up for the beauty and you purchase at least 12 of these in a transaction, you will most definitely hit beauty. Well, I only needed to hit 12, so I only needed to purchase 12. So maybe if you purchase, maybe just look at your account. If you have $0 in beauty, just go ahead and spend $50 out of pocket on Irish Spring and in soft soap, and you should hit beauty. Just, you know, keep up with your calculations. When you reach $50, you will get back 5,000 points on top of the points that you will receive from your Irish Spring. But yeah, the Chic is a super easy deal too. So coupons.com to print off these coupons. The limit is 2. Like I said, I only used 1 soft soap coupon and 1 Irish Spring coupon, and my total transaction still came out to be free. So I am very pleased with that. So yeah, this is just what I got for right now, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. I'm pretty sure there are going to be more deals being uploaded this week, but I just wanted to come over here and show you guys this deal right here. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys are planning to do this deal. Like I said, this is a really easy deal. This deal is newbie friendly, so even if you don't have points, you can go in. Like I said, they are $3.99 each. Get 5,000 points back for every 2 that you buy. And the best part about it is, if you are a newbie, you will have to pay out of pocket first. So if you purchase 2 at $3.99, right? So you'll pay what, $7.98 out of pocket, and then you will get back 5,000 points. So you can then go do another transaction and purchase some more soft soap, and you can keep on building your points like that, or you can just keep on rolling your points like that. That way you get stocked up on your soft soap and your Irish Spring. So there are so many ways to this is a really good deal to do, so I would highly encourage you guys to go out and do this deal. What else? And I will for sure come back and let you guys know what I get for the rest of the week. But right now I just wanted to go out to make sure I did this deal. Like I said, I do plan on going to 2 more Walgreens to get some more, because these will go perfectly in my bundles that I'm selling. So I'm super excited about that. And in the process, I am also building points. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this deal. Once again, let me know in the comment section below if you guys are going to do this deal. Let me know how your transaction go. If you use points, if you use coupons, let me know. I'm interested to hear about it. So this is it for right now, you guys, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.